Good morning, students. Class 6 Geography. The Earth in the solar system. During the day, the sun is the only natural object seen in the sky except occasional clouds, birds or aeroplanes. However, one must not look at the sun directly, which hurts the eye badly. At night, we can see thousands of stars as well as the moon in the sky. Watching the night sky, we have a large number of clear nights. In a year as the darkness grows after the sunset. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others dim. Most of them appear to be twinkling. They are stars. We can see that few of them are not twinkling. They simply glow without any flicker. They are planets. The moon in the night sky glows at different things, at different times, at different positions, and at different shapes. Whole moon can be seen only once in about 28 days. Its shape bends day by day. Its timing decrease and its position changes after 14 days. It becomes invisible. They call it the new moon nights or no moon nights or Amavasya. New moon does not literally mean new. Then it waxes day by day and becomes full moon in about 14 days. This is called full moon nights or Purnima. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called physical or heavenly bodies. The stars are usually very huge balls of burning gases emitting out of a lot of heat of light. They are similar to the sun. We don't feel their heat or light because of their great distance. The sun is also a star. It is much nearer to the earth, therefore we feel its heat and light. Constellations, groups of bright stars in the sky that form crystal characteristics, patterns of shapes and appear to move together are called constellations. They are about 88 constellations known till date. Planets. The stars appear to revolve round the earth from east to west, rising in the east and setting in the west. If you observe carefully, you will feel that their relative positions do not change except for the relative positions of 5 stars like objects which are visible to the naked eye and which traverse through the sky without twinkling. There are no night wonders or planets. We know the differences between stars and planets. Stars are made of hot burning gases, but planets are made of either solid materials or of cool gases. Stars emit their own lights, but planets reflect their lights that they receive from the sun. Stars are very huge, but planets are not a lot of the stars. Stars are very hot, but planets depend on their relative distance from the sun. Stars do not change their relative positions, but planets change their relative positions in the sky every day. Stars are twinkling, but planets are not twinkling. Stars have millions of stars, but there are 8 planets and there
3 प्रोटॉन्स
and 3 protons.
जिसको ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट कहते हैं.
They are called also dwarf planets.